Section 5 Solar Cell. Lecture number 5th. Effect of different parameters on the PV solar cell or photovoltaic solar cell. Learning objectives of lecture number 5. Learner should able to understand effect of temperature on solar PV cell. Learner should able to understand light intensity on solar PV cell. Now one by one we will see the effect of temperature on the solar PV cell. Temperature is playing a very much important role on power generation from the solar panel. The first point, the change in the temperature will affect the power output from the solar cell. The voltage is highly dependent on the temperature, and an increase in the temperature will decrease the voltage. This is a very crucial parameter, that if the system temperature is continuously increasing, the power output from the solar cell will always decrease. As per this diagram, on the y-axis there is a current and the x-axis there is a voltage. Now say when we are inciding a constant radiation, our solar panel is 1000 watt per meter square. Whenever our incident radiations from the solar rays is 1000 watt per meter square for this particular kind of reading, first we will see the operating temperature of a solar cell. When the solar cell is operating at a temperature of 10 degree centigrade, means this curve from this side, this color of a brown color, this brown color curves indicate that the operating temperature of a solar panel is 10 degree centigrade. At that time, the power output or the maximum MPPT power is 53.8 wattage. The temperature is less, the power output from the solar panel is more. Second curve is the operating cell parameter at 25 degree centigrade. That is a green curve. This green curve, the power output is 50.2 watt. Third is a operating cell temperature is 40 degree centigrade. The power output is 46.5 watt. Next is when operating temperature is 55 degree centigrade, the power output is 42.9 wattage. And the last is when the cell temperature is 70 degree centigrade, the power output is 39.3 wattage. So when we want to get a maximum solar power from a solar panel, it is very much important on which temperature we are placing the solar panel. The next effect is the effect of light intensity on a solar PV cell. Basically, the light intensity is a solar irradiation falling over the solar panel. One by one we will see the point. First is a variation of light intensity incident on a solar cell changes all solar cell parameter. The irradiation level of a sun is very much important to generate an electricity from a solar panel. The light generated current is proportional to the flux of photons, therefore the short circuit current is directly proportional to the light intensity. As the light intensity is higher, the current generation from a solar panel is also higher, while the open circuit voltage increases logarithmically with light intensity. We see this curve. On the y side there is a current and x side there is a voltage. We are continuously increasing the irradiation level. Let's say for this curve it is a 0.5 watt per centimeter square irradiation level. Next is 0.75 and last is 1 watt per centimeter square irradiation level. So when we found as the irradiation level is increasing, the current output is also increasing, and simultaneously there is a small change in a voltage difference. So we can say as the irradiation level will increase, the power output will also increase significantly.